This is how to play Through It All by Benjamin Dube. I'll be showing you guys how to play this song using the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, I'm gonna start first by playing this song to you guys just a little bit so that you can remember it, and then I'll break it down after. Okay, so it says on the key of C sharp, through it all, through it all, oh, oh, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Okay, I believe everyone can remember it. So let's break it down. It starts right on this chord. Okay, this is our number 1 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as C sharp major, but it's a first inversion. Okay, it's C sharp major, first inversion. Okay, so from 1, it goes to 4, which is this chord. There's our number 4, also known as F sharp major chord. F sharp major. From here, it goes to 5, second inversion, which is this chord. There's our number 5, second inversion. From here, it goes back to 1. Okay, our number 5 is also known as G sharp major chord. It's G sharp major, second inversion. And then from here, it goes back to our first chord, which is C sharp major, first inversion. It's quite easy, right? Okay, so let's introduce the bass. When you play your first chord on the right, on the left, you go to 1. When you play number 4, on the left, you also go to 4. When you go to 5, on the left, you also go to 5. When you go back to 1, on the left, you go to 1. Okay, this is where it says, through it all. You go to 4, and through it all, oh, oh, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Okay, so to make sure that you don't lose the timing of the song, play every chord 4 times. Okay, play every chord 4 times like this. Play number 1 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you change. 1, 2, 3, 4. You change. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go to 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so before we play this song for the second time, there is a movement that I want to show you guys. It's very, very simple. So it's 6, 5, 1. Okay, before we play it for the second time, we're going to play this movement. Okay, so let's break down this movement. It starts right here. Okay, it starts right on this chord. This is our number 6 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as A sharp minor, second inversion. It's a minor chord. It's A sharp minor, but it's a second inversion. Okay, so from here it goes to 5 sorry, which is this chord, also known as G sharp major. Remember, I told you guys that right here it's G sharp major, second inversion, but here it's G sharp major root chord. Okay, it's our number 5. It's a root chord. From here it goes to 1, second inversion, which is this chord. It's a second inversion. Remember, I told you that this one is a first inversion, this one is a second inversion. Okay, so it's 6, 5, 1. Okay, on the left, when you are playing 6 on the right, on the left you're going to play 6 as well. When you are playing 5 on the left, you're not going to play 5, but you're going to play 7. Okay, this right here is a slash chord, but I won't be going deep into that. From 7, you go to 1. Okay, it's 6, 7, 1. Okay, or instead of playing number 1 second inversion, you can just go back to your first inversion like this: 6, 5, 1. Okay, So let's start from the beginning. I want to show you guys where we are going to add that movement. Okay, so 1, 2, and through it all, and through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. Go back to 1. I've learned. Immediately when you hit number 1, you're going to count 2 times. You're going to say 1, 2, and then you play 6, 5, 1. Remember, I told you you can also switch your second inversion with your first inversion. Okay, you can play 6, 5, 1. It doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna start again for the last time. It's through it all to 4. Through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. Remember 2 times. I've learned to trust in God. And through it all, I've learned to depend upon His word. Okay, it's quite easy. So this is how I personally play it. Okay. Okay, I believe you learned something from this video. Until we meet again, guys, God bless you.